is tragically alive and well in some states. There are efforts to stop people from voting by erecting difficult rules about ID pictures and certain IDs, but if you have a hunting license, that's better than even a photo ID in some states. So, California, we see it differently. You can register to vote on the internet. And as a matter of fact, I think up to 800,000 people have taken advantage of that. In my home county of Alameda, 50,000 people registered by email, internet, just in the last couple of months. So we're opening the rolls. We believe in participation, inclusion, the opposite of some of the doctrines that gain some prominence in our country. And California has been beset by lots of problems. I like to compare sometimes when I was here the last time and then what happened when I left. And since I left, the state of California built 23 new prisons and 1 new University of California. When my father was governor, he built 3 University of California, Santa Cruz, Irvine, and Riverside, and not 1 new prison. So, a little different philosophy. Anyway, we got our 23 prisons. They got full. The Supreme Court had to tell us, you got to bring them down. They're down significantly, and they're even telling us we got to reduce it more. But we've cut our prisons. We've cut redevelopment. We've cut education. We've cut community colleges. We've cut Cal State, higher education, Medi-Cal, in-home supportive services, SSI, CalWorks, you name it, we did it. It's enough. It's more than enough. What you need to do now is to find some more revenue from those who've been so blessed that I'm inviting them to give just a little bit back to the community that created their opportunity.